Meet Ollie, the app-controlled robot driven by adrenaline. This rough and tumble roller lives for only two things: speed and tricks.
Core features.
Built to go wicked fast, Ollie redlines at a floor-warping 14 miles an hour. Combine that speed with full gesture controls, and Ollie can pull off some pretty sweet stunts. Steer with your thumb or turn your device sideways to enter trick mode. Do a trick correctly, and the app will automatically tell you just how awesome your trick was. If Ollie's too fast for you, you can always tone him down in the settings screen.
Toughness.
Worried that all those tricks and speed are gonna hurt Ollie? Psh, Ollie's been wrapped in a durable polycarbonate.
Han Solo style.
We've literally sent this thing off a cliff and it still kept going.
Getting started.
Charge Ollie up using the USB cable, and then download the free Ollie app to your iOS or Android device. With a full charge, open the app, place your device next to Ollie, and watch him connect via Bluetooth LE.
It's based on magic.
From there, you can choose between two drive modes to run Ollie in. Keep Ollie's tires on for ultra grip and hard cornering, or take them off to become a super drift machine.
Accessories.
You can also customize Ollie's look with one of the new tire or hubcap options that feature more colors and designs. With LEDs, a 30-meter range, and an hour of non-stop play off a single charge, you can kiss your average toy goodbye.
Adios, muchachos.
This is Ollie, and it's time to upgrade your play.